In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Google Drive using Zapier. This simple integration is perfect for anyone who wants to automate file organization, save important email attachments, or streamline everyday tasks. With Zapier, the entire process becomes smooth and efficient, so let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful automation platform that lets different apps communicate and work together. If you don't already have an account, creating one is quick and free, and you'll need it before setting up this connection. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner for the Create button. Click it to begin building a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that links two apps. In this case, we'll be creating one that connects Gmail and Google Drive so they can work together automatically. After clicking Create, Zapier will take you to the Zap editor. This is where your automation is built step by step. Look for the Zap section and click on it. Inside the editor, find the message box and type something like Connect Gmail and Google Drive. This helps Zapier understand the integration you want to create and prepares a recommended list of steps. Zapier will now show an option to Add all steps to Zap. Click this to instantly load all the essential actions needed for the connection. Once the steps appear, take a quick look to make sure they match the workflow you want, especially if you're planning to automatically save email attachments or organize files into specific folders. Next, choose your trigger event. The trigger is what will activate your automation. For example, you might select a new email in Gmail or a new attachment received. Choose the option that fits your needs, then proceed by signing into your Gmail account when prompted. Zapier will ask for permission to access your email so the workflow can run correctly. Once you've granted access, click Test to ensure everything is connected properly. After your trigger has been confirmed, it's time to set the action in Google Drive. Click on Google Drive and select the specific action you want Zapier to perform. This could be creating a folder, uploading a file, or saving email attachments automatically. When Zapier prompts you, sign into your Google Drive account and give it the required permissions. Then, just like before, click Test to verify that the connection is working. With both your trigger and action configured successfully, you're almost done. Review your workflow to make sure each step performs the task you expect. When everything looks good, click Publish to activate your Zap. From this point on, the automation will run on its own, saving you time and removing repetitive work from your day. You've now created a seamless integration between Gmail and Google Drive. This setup helps you stay organized, ensures important files are saved automatically, and gives you more time to focus on meaningful tasks instead of manual sorting. It's a simple change that can make your digital workflow much more efficient. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide helped you get your integration up and running. If you'd like tutorials on more automations, feel free to ask anytime.